Friends, welcome to our new video. Never plant these plants next to each other, you must know this. In the next 2 minutes, we'll explore some interesting facts about plant compatibility and how it can affect the growth and health of your garden. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's dive right in. 1. Sun and shade. First, let's talk about sun and shade plants. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others prefer partial shade. If you pair up a sun-loving plant like a sunflower with a shade-tolerant plant like a creeping phlox, you might find that the sun-loving plant struggles to grow because it doesn't have enough light. Similarly, a shade-intolerant plant like ferns may become scorched if it's placed next to a sun-loving plant like a sunflower. So always consider the needs of your plants when placing them together. 2. Height and density. Different plants have different heights and spacing requirements. If you pair up plants that are too close together, they'll compete for nutrients, water, and sunlight, which can lead to one plant growing slower or not at all. Likewise, plants that are too tall for their containers can strike each other, causing damage or even rot. It's important to measure the height of both plants and choose companions that fit well within their containers. 3. Competition for water. Plants release water vapor through their leaves. And if two plants are close together, they can steal that water vapor from each other. This can lead to one plant wilting and the other remaining healthy. To avoid this, give your plants adequate spacing and water them when the soil feels dry to the touch. 4. Phytosanitary concerns. Certain plants can spread diseases or attract harmful insects when planted together. For example, marigolds are known to attract bees and wasps, while basil can attract aphids. To avoid these problems, it's best to keep different plant families together or use barriers like fences to keep them separated. In conclusion, plant compatibility is vital to the health and beauty of your garden. Always consider the sun, height, water, and disease-repelling needs of your plants when placing them together. With proper spacing and companionship, you can create a thriving and harmonious garden environment. Happy gardening!